A marathon court hearing just wrapping up as the state of Missouri tries to remove St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner from office.
It has been a lively afternoon as the St. Louis City Circuit Attorney sat behind her team of lawyers who argued for her. Fox 2's Chris Hayes is in downtown St. Louis with this legal wrangling that's been going on all afternoon. Chris.
Jasmine, Shirley, there's a lot to go over with emotions now spilling outside of the courtroom down here. This was a hearing that lasted 4+ hours. Now a group of Gardner supporters is gathering behind me. First up, upstairs, we heard arguments about whether the Attorney General's office effort to remove Kim Gardner as circuit attorney should even move forward. First, let's listen to those arguments we heard in court.
They haven't stated a single allegation against Ms. Gardner that she intended for any of these outcomes to happen.
When you repeat a process that isn't working over and over again, your intentional failure to do more is willful neglect.
The judge is taking those arguments into consideration to decide later. Then a twist, more than an hour of arguments between the Circuit Attorney's Office and the Attorney General's office about releasing documentation. The Circuit Attorney's lawyers saying it's unfair and burdensome, potentially dangerous to witnesses and victims. Then a surprise when a former assistant prosecutor, Natalie Ogerkowitz, said she will not be silenced, and through her attorney, talked about evidence she is willing to cooperate and share. Listen to that surprise in court.
Approximately 3,000 pages. This includes emails that are inter-office emails, which pertain to what level of training, whether there was training. Also emails with respect to concerns regarding being underwater, being overworked, being understaffed, and the work environment that you've heard about earlier today with respect to arguments from counsel. That's just to name a few, Judge.
The judge will rule on everything, including whether or not this trial will go forward sometime after 1 week from now. And he did set a tentative trial date for the end of September, a trial that will last at least 3 weeks. Live downtown, Chris Hayes, Fox 2 News.